So today I'm giving an update on the seeds that I started a few months ago. Anyway, they're not doing that great. So here I've got Cracker Jack marigolds. So these are the tall ones. The back there, these little things here are called Nemophilia. This is Lavatera here. Again, not doing that great. The background here is actually Shasta Daisy that I just planted a few days ago. It's actually doing better. And a few more in this little pot. Right there. Down below, I have tomatoes. And I actually did clip them off here. So now they're getting another little leaf, and hopefully the stems will start to get thicker. This is more of that Nemophilia. It gets little blue flowers on it. Here I've got purple Elysium. This will probably do quite well outside. I planted some last year and it did really good. Actually, my daughter gave me some. I used hers. This is marigold. Again, these are the Cracker Jack ones, so they should get a couple feet tall, so they have a long ways to go. Down below, you can see my zinnia did not grow, so I've replanted it. More Nemophilia in the background there. And this is Shasta Daisy again. I just planted that. Only a few came up. I've been putting the trays from fruit over top. This is actually going to be a sunflower, hopefully. What else did I plant? Over here, that is going to be savory, an herb. It's not up yet. I just planted that one recently because, again, a lot of stuff did not come up or else it died. In the background here, those 3 plants there are an ornamental gourd I'm trying this year. More tomatoes. So I've got cherry tomatoes, some big red tomatoes, and yellow tomatoes. Then I've got yellow peppers growing here. They are not doing very well. This is the original planting from a couple months ago. They are just pathetic this year. I don't know if it's bad seed or what, but it was all new seed. This is more tomatoes. And then I just planted some basil and got a few Lavatera in there as well, and more tomatoes. More tomatoes again that are doing really well. And down below I just planted parsley, oregano, and there's a few more tomatoes down there. So I just have a few little grow lights in there that I got off Amazon. And closing this up actually keeps the heat in. And then I'm going to show you a few other plants I have upstairs. So I'll just go up there in a second. So these are ones I have upstairs. This is Lavatera. These are the ones that are doing a lot better. Back here, I have one zinnia out of all of the ones I planted. A little bit more Elysium and more Lavatera. A couple of marigolds there. And here is more purple Elysium. And that one is Lobelia. And this was supposed to be impatiens. They were growing and then they just died. So I don't know, I kind of give up on that one. Over here, I have marigolds, which I just planted again. I've replanted these about 4 times. And this time these ones seem to be growing. And this, I literally put these in a couple days ago. So I don't know if it's new stuff that's growing or if it's the original old stuff I planted. This is squash that I planted recently, like literally a few days ago. And I planted watermelon seeds from what I grew last year. And then this is my garden huckleberries that I'm trying again this year, and hopefully they will do as good as they did last year or better. And that's it. That's all I've got. I quit using the 1-inch pots. These are like 2-inch, because all those little 1-inch seed starter pots, nothing grew in this year, and I threw them all out. I got so fed up. So anyway, that's my update for today, April 21st.